Well, today's storm is not nearly as damaging as last Tuesday's, certainly, but people are still suffering.
And Cronfar's Haaziq Madyun was in Colma today, where a chunk of a busy road was closed by flooding.
The rain overpowered storm drains and caused some roadway flooding Tuesday here on southbound Juniper-Osera between Sierra Monte Boulevard and Southgate, right across from the Sarah Center in the town of Colma. Colma police temporarily closed this section of the road so that city workers could clear the drainage system.
And it's unable to drain in the foliage there, and so it's running off into the roadway.
This Colma Public Works crew was on the scene efforting to clear the storm drain as the rain relentlessly came down. As you can see, traffic was diverted away from this area, and here it looks like a funeral procession had to make a U-turn to avoid the flooding. Colma Police Sergeant Don Marchetti says these atmospheric rivers of 2023 are taking a toll on this small town.
So we've been a little bit busy with a lot of road closures, a lot of trees down, and just trying to, keep the roadways open and safe for people.
Her advice for anyone thinking about taking the risk of driving through standing water during a storm.
Please don't. There are a lot of dangers with it. You might not realize how deep the flooding is, and you could get yourself caught in there and, injured or car flooded and stuck. So if you see standing water, try and avoid it.
It took a little over an hour for Colma Public Works to clear the drain and reopen the 2 lanes on Juniper-Osera. In Colma, Haaziq Madyun, Cron 4 News.